Well, I'm not going to get into specific consequences. I think what we have conveyed and what was conveyed by our National Security Advisor in this meeting is that should they provide military or other assistance that, of course, violates sanctions or supports the war effort, that there will be significant consequences. But in terms of what those specifics look like, we would coordinate with our partners and allies to make that determination.
Sure about what that would entail?
That would be a conversation that we would have with our partners around the world, but there's no question if Russia were to decide to use chemical weapons, there would be a severe reaction from the global community.